Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you this, a Parkside Metal Shelving Unit. I picked this up in my local Lidl there not 2 hours ago, so I'm going to assemble it and tell you what I think of it. So we're getting this slowly put together. It's fiddly and it's flimsy, but it might be alright when it's put together. What I've had to do is bit down these things here, where my thumb's pointing to there. I had to actually bit them down to stop them sliding off again. I've got this far with a little bit of persistence in it at the base, and just to give it some rigidity, but it is flimsy. So we'll just continue on, get the rest of it built. So here we are, fully assembled, and not bad, but flimsy, but it'll do alright against the wall in the workshop. And you can secure them with screws. There's holes in these, but I'll not be bothering with doing that, but not too hard to assemble. A bit like Lego when you get the main structure assembled. All I really needed was these three tools: a hammer, a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Oh, pretty easy. So I have to put these feet on now, and that's it. There it is. It looks well on there. I have to say it's not strong. I'm going to probably have to screw it to that beam just to give it a bit more. I'm going to use that screw hole, just screw it to the actual workshop, because I don't trust it to stand on its own. It was only $24.99, so I can't complain too much. These Von House ones that I got from Amazon are about twice as strong, but they're also twice the price. That'll keep it in place, not move now. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.